US 2 years ago, AI video looked like the future of filmmaking. People believed anyone could create Hollywood quality videos with just a few words. The hype was everywhere. But today, many creators are asking a different question. Did AI video fail before it even began? When text to video models first appeared, they amazed the internet. Companies promised realistic movies, endless creativity, and a future where cameras might become optional. But there was one big problem. The technology wasn't ready. Early AI videos struggled with strange physics, melting faces, disappearing objects, and characters that changed every few seconds. Even the most advanced models couldn't maintain consistency in longer scenes. Then came another challenge: cost. Generating high-quality AI video required enormous computing power, making it expensive for both companies and users. Meanwhile, copyright concerns, legal battles, and fears of fake videos slowed adoption even further. Creators realized something important. AI could generate clips, but it couldn't replace storytelling. A beautiful visual means very little without emotion, pacing, and a human creative vision behind it. Does this mean AI video is dead? Not at all. In fact, it's improving faster than almost any technology we've seen. But the biggest lesson is this: AI isn't replacing filmmakers. It's becoming another tool in their toolbox. The future of video won't belong to AI alone. It will belong to the people who know how to combine AI with creativity. Because in the end, technology can generate images, but only humans can tell stories worth remembering.